Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make YouTube short DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so you create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. Now, you can go ahead and import your image. I'm working on the edit tab, by the way. You can, like I said, import your video clip or image by dragging and dropping, but we're not going to do that yet. Instead, we are going to go down here to the gear wheel right here, and then we are going to change the timeline resolution. Okay, now it's worth noting that at the time here, they don't actually have, vertical as an option here. So you'll have to go to custom, okay? And then change this to 1080 by 1920. So we're going 1080 by 1920. And then leave everything else the same, just hit save, and then you'll have that there. In order to make sure you're doing it right, we're going to import a video. We've imported our classic video. Now let's add it to the timeline. As you can see, it is YouTube short vertical video style right now. But since this was recorded for a 16:9 ratio, we actually need to do one thing to it, okay? And this is what we need to do, okay? It's very simple. Well, we can do two things. We can scale it if we want to, make it bigger to make it go up to how we need it, or we can actually come down here to scaling and hit fill, and then it will fill. If you don't have the inspector for you guys, just click this inspector tab and you'll have it. Then just do the setting that I did, and as you can see, it filled it. In this position, it went exactly where we wanted. But if it's not where you want, you can play around with the x-axis to move the position exactly how you want it, and then it will stay that way. And then, you just add everything to your clip, like normal audio if you want it, whatever. And then we click the deliver tab, okay? This is very important because this is how we're going to save it, okay? We're going to go over here. I have a setting already for this, but let's say I didn't have a setting, okay? That would be the new setting. Okay, so what I would do is I'd name it, I'd pick whatever location I want. If my, video has audio, I'd leave this on. I'd just leave all this the way it is. But for video, I would make sure that this is 1080 and then this is 1920. So it's the same exact resolution as what I'm exporting, so we don't get any problems there. I'd personally go ahead and go up here and save as a new preset if you plan on doing YouTube Shorts quite a bit. And then when you're done, you'll hit add to render queue, and then you come over here and render it out at the location you picked up here. So yeah, and then you can upload it to YouTube or TikTok or wherever. But since it is how to YouTube Short, I imagine you'll be uploading it to YouTube. But yeah, hopefully this has helped you. in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.